So can you tell me your name?
Yeah, Jimmy Vanderweide.
Jimmy, great. Tell me what's going on here.
All right, 7 years ago, a bunch of us guys got together and said we want to promote tailgating. So we bought an old UW bus, built a custom smoker, and decided to go ahead and bring tailgating, bring more people to the games. And that was the whole point. So 7 years into it. Now, actually, this year we started doing sponsorships. We're doing more catering style. We're actually stepping up.
Great, great. Tell me about just a huge smoker over there. What are you guys cooking?
Yeah, today we've got jalapeno garlic sausage, smoked chicken wings, plain hot wing, and whiskey barbecue sauce, as well as just regular chicken pieces, and homemade pasta salad, potato salad, everything else.
Nice. Are you from Laramie originally?
No, I'm actually a Kansas farm boy that moved up here 10 years ago.
Okay, and you actually live in Laramie?
Yep.
Okay, great.
Here, work here, and this is what we do.
Tell me about Wyoming football this year.
Wyoming football. Well, I went to Austin. I travel with the team a lot.
You too?
Here's the deal. We played Texas really good. Other than the turnovers, we gave the game away.
Yeah.
Last game, Brett Smith getting knocked out. That's going to hurt us a little bit. Hopefully he'll be back next game. Because Cal Poly's a good one to play against, but this is hurting us.
Yeah, absolutely. Brett Smith getting knocked out. You probably saw Carson Swing get knocked out a couple years ago. Tell me which one was worse.
Wow. You know what? The whole Brett Smith thing on the sideline, that down there,
didn't look good.
It was not good. It was just rough.
But it seems like Brett's going to come back, whereas Carson, it took him a long time to get back,
It took him a long time to come back. I mean, he was out at least 6 games, I think.
Yeah.
It took a while. So this, hopefully Brett comes back. We've got conference games starting after this one. It's going to be awesome.
What do people from Laramie know about Cal Poly, if anything?
Not much. You know what? I have met a lot of kids that their parents went to Cal Poly.
Oh, really?
And they're out here, but they're wearing brown and gold.
Okay, so you've met a lot of kids whose parents went to Cal Poly and then moved out here to Wyoming? Or?
Yeah, they're actually going to school out here, but their parents went to Cal Poly.
Okay,
so
okay.
Yeah, it's actually a good thing that we're bringing the brown and gold.
Cool.
But they're like, well, you know, mom and dad are Cal Poly, we're brown and gold.
Cal Poly's from California, but not a lot of people know they're kind of an ag school. So that's kind of a match in a lot of ways, I would imagine.
It is. Yeah. Engineering, ag, fits right along with Wyoming. So it's good to see.
Great. Well, I appreciate it. Is there any places people can go to get more info about your tailgate?
Well, actually, we just tell everyone to just show up. We
show up on game day?
Only.
Cool.
We cook as much. We cook until it's gone.
Great, great.
Beer, food, whatever, bring it. Yep.
All right. Thanks.